All right, there it is, all put together. And this has only got the Lincoln 180 HD on it. That's basically my little hobby one. I'll eventually be getting a multi-matic or multi-purpose one, one that does MIG, TIG, stick, spool gun, you know, the whole works. But until I come up with $3,000, you know, there's a space for it. I just don't know if it's gonna be Miller, Lincoln, Aesop, but I need to fill that up. More space there. You know, when I do get it, I'll have a place for a second bottle so I can do TIG. That one right there is my what is it? It's argon, carbon dioxide mix for my MIG. But it's kind of nice to be able to put that on there and not have to wheel it out every time to hook it up. Now it's always hooked up. Darn it. I accidentally pinched the hose. Alrighty.